Hello everyone, in this video I'll be teaching you how to sign up on Atlas Capture, okay, how you can get verified for the very first time. Now this platform is a platform where you can work remotely and get paid. So first off, you're going to go to your browser and on your search bar you type audit.atlascapture.io. When you do that, you click on search and then this page appears. You go ahead to put your email and verify that you are human, okay? Few seconds later, a verification code will be sent to the email that you added, and when you get that verification code, you're to add it to this page, okay? So it's a 6-digit code and you're going to copy it. As you can see, mine has been sent. I'll copy it and paste it here and click on verify to get verified. Now that I'm verified, I am signed in. After a successful sign-in, it is advised that you use your laptop for training or you set your browser to desktop mode. Thereafter, you're going to fill your profile details to set up your profile. You can add a referral code if you have any. If you don't have any, you can just leave it. It's totally optional. After you've put in your details, you're going to click on continue and then a contract document will be prepared for you where you have to click on that green box to put your name, your address, and then when you click on the next field, you'll have to also sign. So you're going to put down your signature using your finger, okay? You just touch your screen and sign, and then you fill this other fields, add your address, and then you click on enter. So you're going to go take your time to go through the contract, and then after you sign, you're going to go to the next page, which is ID card verification. So you're going to add your ID for verification, okay, which can be your driver's license or your national ID card or your passport. So you're going to add one of these IDs. I uploaded my NIN and clicked on upload and verify ID. Yes, we have been verified. So I have been verified. I am all set to go. Now there's a button there that says click to start your training. Now this training, they'll ask you to use your laptop, okay, but you can actually set your browser to desktop mode to be able to access it. Stay tuned for the training process in my next video.